Health officials are sharing a cautionary tale. Governor DeWine and the Kent Health Department say a bartender was caught without a mask. The manager of the bar said she was exempt. That bartender, her boyfriend, and 3 roommates have now all tested positive for COVID-19. News 5's Olivia Fecto reports tonight bars and restaurants have the potential for a lot of people to be in one space, so local places have to be careful.
If we do our part, then we're only making things safer for our staff and our guests.
As the front of house manager at Market Garden Brewery in Ohio City, Heather Wild knows how important it is to make sure staff and guests feel comfortable.
We don't want to scold anybody that comes in the building. We just want to make sure that we're staying positive and letting everybody know how to be safe while they're within the 4 walls of our restaurant.
That means sanitizing stations around the restaurant and dividers at tables and the bar.
Here at Market Garden, in addition to staff members wearing masks themselves, they're also making sure customers do the same, handing out these packets with hand sanitizer and masks in them if customers don't have their own.
It's more difficult to know who's in a bar, so contact tracing becomes more difficult.
ROMONA Brazile of the Cuyahoga County Board of Health says bars and restaurants can be risky, especially if you're there for a while in a closed space and not wearing a mask. She says that's why masks for both guests and staff are so critical.
I think we've seen very quickly that this virus can pass very silently from one person to another.
We've installed plexiglass within the bar and our hostess stand. All of our employees wear masks. We have UV ventilation in our HVAC AC units that help kill germs while the fans are rolling.
At Fahrenheit in Tremont, the restaurant has extended its patio for more outdoor dining.
Most of our guests, they want to follow the rules too. So, they wear their masks until they're seated, and then once they're seated, they're able to take them off.
Even though Cuyahoga County's alert level has been lowered, these restaurants say it doesn't change what they're doing to ensure safety.
Lowering the color does not lower our standards on what we need to do to make sure that everybody is taken care of. It makes us feel good and that we're doing our part, but we will still keep a heightened awareness on what, every procedure we're taking.
In Cleveland, Olivia Fecto, News 5.